a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good time and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now.
Good evening to each and everyone. Welcome to the lovely 50th birthday celebration for our glamorous birthday celebrant for tonight with no less than Miss Amor Loberiano. By the way, my name is host Stanley and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I welcome you here in the Majestic Hotel here to Fair. For sure, we're gonna have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned, sit back and relax. At this point, I would like to acknowledge all our guests wearing their dashing and wonderful outfit. You look all handsome and beautiful with our team red and gold. Palakpakan man dyan! Ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited to meet and witness our glamorous birthday celebrant for tonight? Say yes, come on! Yeah! At the back, say yes, come on! Yeah! All together, say yes, come on! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please all rise. Let us all spend the moment we've been waiting for. Because for tonight calls for a grand celebration, and we celebrate the 50 years gift of life. 50th birthday celebration, 50 golden years, making this significant milestone on her life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Miss Amor Loberiano, together with Sir Michael Masayon, awesome and bumper, on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. What a beautiful and elegant birthday celebration for tonight, representing Miss Amor Loberiano. Alright. Folks, for a while, how are you? Miss Amor Loberiano, you look so elegant and wonderful for that amazing occasion. May I ask, who is your inspiration behind those pretty looks? Banker. Why banker?
Because he's my love.
Oh, palakpakan naman dyan. Pinakilig tayo for this love team. Amor and Sir Michael. Sir Michael, how are you? How are you doing for tonight? Can you give a few words to all the participants who came for tonight's love event?
Sa lahat na pumunta rito, all of you, thank you very much. I'm so happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for Miss Amor Loberiano, celebrating the 50 years gift of life. 50 golden years on this amazing occasion. Palakpakan ulit naman dyan. So may I request all the participants and guests to please all settle down. Please all be seated, and at this point of time, we're gonna witness this lovely couple on their waltz dance together. A big round of applause for the lovely lady of the hour, Miss Amor and Sir Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, representing you once again, our lovely birthday celebrant for tonight, Miss Amor Loberiano, dancing with Sir Michael Masayon, also known Banker. Wala pa kayong mga kamay! for Miss Amon Lobriano. She celebrated for the 50 years Give of Life, 50 golden years for tonight. Amazing occasion. So may I invite sa lahat ng bisita, sa mga naggaganda at mga nagwagapong bisita to join here in front. Come on. All guys ready to sing the happiest birthday song? Say yes, come on! Gusto ko ng for Andy? Say yes, come on! Ayun na talaga! Ladies and gentlemen, from my counting, we're gonna sing all together a happiest birthday song from 3 and 2 and 1. Music maestro. Happy birthday to you, come on, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, come on, come on. Happy birthday to you. Game or the trivia question. So how well do you know our birthday celebrant? If you know the answer, just come here in front. Don't hesitate. Don't be shy. If you'll be able to get the correct answer, you will be able to receive a prize courtesy from Miss Amor Lobriano. For our first question, brace yourself. What is the real birthday of our birthday celebrant? If you know the answer, come here in front. Come here.
75. Yes.
Ang galing naman ni Mano. Elisha, palakpakan, bigyan niya ng jacket. Bigyan ka ng prize. Take a picture with the birthday celebrant. Do you find her amazing for tonight's occasion? Say yes, come on. Our birthday celebrant. Do you find her amazing and beautiful for tonight's occasion? Say yes, come on.
Yes.
Parang hindi kayo agree.
Yes.
Alright, ladies, for our next question. Give me at least one description or personality of Miss Amor. Be the first to come here in front. Oh, dito po. Oh, dito po. Sir Marvin. One personality or description.
Beautiful.
Ay, hindi pa rin beautiful. Ay, pasensya na. Okay, consider na yan. Yan ang price yan. Bigyan na yan ng jacket. Picture. Oo. Ganun lang.
All time beautiful.
All time beautiful.
Timeless.
Sa ito yung host, no? For the third question. What? Ayun ang the back table, ha? For our back table. Please don't hesitate. Please come here in front. For our next question. What is her favorite color? Ano kaya paborito kong kulay? Wow. Be the first one here in front. Ate ka dito, ate. Come here. Anong yung kasagutan? Ito pa yung tama o ito yung mali?
Tama.
Anong sagot nila?
Red.
Anong tamang sagot? Huwag mong ibibigkas? Wala, mali. Ayun na. It's wrong. Another guys from our guests, from our participants. What is her favorite color? Be the first from 3 and 2 and 1/4. Mommy, ano kayong favorite color? Ay, parang hindi. Ito yata may favorite color ng blue. Alam na this. Another color, another guess. How about for Miss Anne? How about for Sir Jason? Can you make a wild guess for their favorite color? Oh my God! Parang nararamdaman ko may correct answer na dun sa likod. Maybe it's your time to win the prize, Miss Andahan. Just to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, she's our decorator for tonight. Amazing t-shirt. They were the decorator for this beautiful decorations. Palakpakan naman siya. What is your answer for this question? What is your favorite color?
I guess pink.
Tambak ka! Correct! Congratulations! Oo! What is her birth place? Siya pinanganak sa Pilipinas. Patarman.
Sama.
Congratulations! Tumbak ka na! You got it right! And last question, how long she's working in Bahrain? Make a wild guess. I'll repeat the question, how long she's working in Bahrain? Any wild guess, sir?
15 years.
Congratulations, you got it right! Ang galing! Sir, you got it right. Sir, how are you? What's your name?
I'm good. My name is Muhammad.
Malo. Sir, Muhammad did a few words, a message to our birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday, dear. You look so beautiful. And welcome everybody to the beautiful evening.
Sir, what is your favorite song? May I know?
Now I will sing for you and Filipino song. Please don't throw me with anything, huh? I have a bad kaya pala nagkadapa sa sinumalalaka sa kanmay lubog nigipik ang kalabog maitim ang tulay
Bring yourself to me for those who have a talent in dancing. Be the first from the ring. And so Rose? Kung meron tayong talent portion, okay, ma'am, dito ka pa. Kung meron tayong talent portion, hindi mawawala ang Q&A portion. Gusto nyo yan? All the candidates, please form your line. Siyempre, hindi to expected mo ang bisita natin. Okay, we're gonna have this portion, the pageant entitled The Miss Majestic 2025. Okay, bakbakan naman dyan! For our first player, be on the center of our stage. Come here, in front. Your question goes this way. What is your good name?
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Allen.
Palakpakan naman siya. What is your motto in life?
My motto in life. Okay, this year's motto, love is blind.
Why? Why the love is blind?
Because for me, I don't look at the physical, I'm more into the attitude of the person.
Talaga. Anyway, if you'll be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
I think it would be my height. Because obviously, I'm looking, but there's a chance that I will just maybe grow a little more.
Palakpakan naman siya na big round of applause. First player, first talent. Again, what's your good name?
My name is Allen.
Allen, fresh from? Fresh from?
Pura.
From Pura. How about in the Philippines? Where is your exact place?
From La Union.
Okay, from Ilocano. Una siya, Ilocano. Sige, okay, for our second player, what is your good name?
My name is Rose.
Rose. Between two lovers? Between two lovers? Feeling like a fool? Anyway, what is your motto in life?
Select the best.
Why select the best?
Because select the best. Because the best is better than anything. The best. Love is among the best.
Bitter pala yung the best, no? Sige, bitter and the best na lang tayo. Okay tayo. Anyway, what is your talent, ma'am? I know your talent is dancing. Aside from dancing, what is your other talent? Can you showcase your talent, other talent? You can sing. Can you showcase? Can you sing a few lines? Kahit isang linya lang. What is your favorite song?
Bisaya song?
Okay lang mga tag-Bisaya.
Sa Bisaya?
Oo.
Palakan mo to.
Music for us. Bisaya. Ano Bisaya song? Ganda na naman ako.
Kinsafia.
Pasayaw ako day.
Sayaw
natin siya. Yun na yun, ma'am. Yung naging Ilocano ka lang Bisaya.
Bisaya din. Bisaya.
Ay, Bisaya din.
Ay, Bisaya. Sige.
Sige, ma'am.
Ano ba ang Bisaya? Sige. Ay, isang lang.
Isang lang, ma'am.
Sige, sige. Akala ko.
Thank you so much for showcasing your talent on dancing. May we have our third candidate be on the center of our stage. Maliban sa natin, masaya. Ano ba ito? One side ba yan? One side lang ba yan? Lagi mo. Meron din ako yan. Anyway, what's your good name, ma'am?
Gina.
Gina from?
Pangasinan.
Ilocano ka ba niya?
If you are from Pangasinan, what is the delicacy you have in Pangasinan? Ano yung mga pinagmamalaki nila? Any,
Pinakdakan. And, papaitan.
papaitan and Pinakbet. Gana, how do you describe your recipe for pinakbet? How is it?
It's more like bitter.
It's more like bitter. If the pinakbet is bitter, can you showcase the bitterness through the pinakbet? Through dancing? Come on! Oo. Sayawan na ulit. Ganun ka-bitter yung pinakbet nila. Ang bitter ng pinakbet nila. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Anyway, we're gonna move forward with our last but definitely not the least, last player, our candidate number 4. She looks so stunning and elegant wearing her red dress. Who is your inspiration behind those pretty looks?
Myself.
Why yourself only?
Myself.
Why yourself only?
Dance.
Just like that? Are you in love?
Of course.
Sino nagpapatibok ng puso mo?
In God and my husband.
May we know the good name of your husband? And may we invite him here in front of the stage? Nagbibidyo. Anyway, your question goes this way. If you'll be given the chance to tour one of the countries aside from Bahrain, what is that country or place and why?
My husband wanted to go travel in 7 wonders of the world.
Why? Di tayo ano?
Yeah, just to experience life. Because,
Sige ako ano?
Ako na lang mag-aalas kasi beshi tayo. Okay, maybe call on once again our candidates, our 4 lovely candidates, other dance or talent portion show down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Front, back, back. Me baby, sige ikembot mo baby. Ibigay niyo pa, ituloy niyo pa yan. Come on. Sige girl, todo mo na yan girl. Okay, tama na. Congratulations for our young, lovely candidates. You won our prizes. Both of you, I mean all of you. Claim your prizes together with our birthday celebration. Take a picture. Let's take a picture. Touch your head, your nose, your cheeks. So what are you doing? Touch your ears. Touch your throat. Touch your chest. Touch your belly. Touch your butt. Touch your knees. Touch your toes. Bottle. Anyway, on the tayo. This is position, get ready, position. Bring down the bottle, sir. Bring down the bottle and we're gonna start. This is the final countdown. Starting from touch your head, your chest, your belly, your buttocks, wait, your toes, your head, bottle. Thank you. Who lost the bottle? Who lost the bottle? Okay, thank you for joining Sir GM. Gawin GM na yan. Ano? Sino nanalo sa inyo? Sino nakakuha? Okay, sir. GM, Mike. Keep still. Sir, who else? For those who are holding those bottles, stay. And now, round 2. Round 2. Find your pair. Now find another pair. Find your pair in front of you now. Kasi in front of natin. Mag-find ko ulit ng partner sa round 2 na lang ito. O wala na kayo sa round 1. Round 2 na ito. Oo. Ma'am, okay lang yan, ma'am. Laro lang po ito. Wala pong ano. Anyway, round 2. Kuya, ha? I will give you a chance. Bring down the bottle now. Round 2. Perfect drop the bottle game. Gagawin natin yung pass the battle din yung sino ang sali mamaya. Come on, bring on the battle. It's okay. For those players who are still here, just find your pair.
Ay, pinalo niya.
Okay, okay, round 2. Stand up, position, and touch your breast. Okay. Touch it very slowly and firmly. Touch your buttocks. Touch your hair. Touch your eyes. And battle. Ay, ang galing. Ang galing dumakma. Hindi dumakaling sa Caribbean. Sino magaling dumakma? Ay, panalo na to. Magaling dumakma itong mga chiko. Ay, sige, dalawa na lang. Okay na lang, okay na lang. Okay na lang. Round 3. Round 3. Bring down the battle. Now, who will be our winner for this? Round 3 for our grab the battle game. We're gonna find out right here, right now. Touch your belly. Oy, kuya! Straight, face your partner. Face your partner, kuya. Touch your buttocks again. Huwag siya na-excited. Kasi manalo, no? Touch your toes. My knees.
My show.
My shoulder, my head, my toes, my knees. My shoulder, my head, my shoulder, my toes, my knees, my battle. Sino na nag-feel? Sino na nag-nila? Okay, we only have 2 players. Ano pangalan nila, ma'am? Army? Harvey? Okay, sir, bring down the battle now. The last battle, please bring it down. And we're gonna find out for our round 4 who will be our winner for this game, grab the battle. And we're gonna start position. Use both of your hands and follow instruction. And we're gonna start by touching your nose, touching your neck, touch your ears, your eyes, your tooth, your tongue, your breast, your umbilicus, your arms, touch your boober, touch your hair and ears, and then toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head button. Palaban ko si Kuya. Palaban talaga. Sino mo wala? Thank you, Mom. Thank you for joining. Who lost? I mean, who's holding? Anyway, pass the button again. Who lost? Who lost, Ed? Who lost? Anyway, continue. We're gonna show from 3 and 2 and 1. Come on, pass the bottle. Mommy, and more. I'm sorry. Thanks to you for joining. You give chance, I mean you will give way. And with the job. Pass the button, come on! Again, sir, I saw you. You are the last one who's holding the battle. Thank you for joining. Okay, compress yourself. Sir Mike Tan, Sir Carlo, and then Sir Mike Tan. Oh, come on! Ay, pang bata yung pa. Come on, pass the ball so that you're not gonna make it from the game. Okay, sorry sir for joining. Again. You may now compress again. Okay, compress again. Bagong-bago talaga yung kanta. Oh my God, thank you, ma. Okay, nag-enjoy talaga sila. Oo, tama kasi magsali, mas masaya. Nagkamali si hostess na. Anyway, compress again.
Mas maganda ko na ng bote.
Mas malaki, mas dako, mas maganda, mas masarap. Ay, iba pang usapan nyo. Ay, layo-layo. Sige, sabi ng bunker. Ano kayang bangko siya? Bunker. BBI ba? HSPs. Okay, kuya. Music man. May tanong ako, mag-jowa kayo? Are you in love with each other? Because you're holding each other's hand and you're hugging each other. Tell me the truth. Who is the girl here? No. Pass the bottle. Who lost? You lost? Okay. Version. Three, 4, 5, 6 players. We're gonna find out our winner right here, right now, live here in the Majestic Hotel Music Maestro. Pass the button. Thank you for joining, Newman. Sorry, okay, sir. Who will be our winner to go? We're going to receive the best in male and female style. We're gonna find out right here, right now, live here at Majestic Hotel, here Javier. For our first nominee for the best in female attire goes to palakpakan natin si Ma'am Sally. Tapos rampa ka, ma'am. Modeling ka mo. From side to side. Palakpakan naman dyan for Miss Sally for our first nominee for the best in female attire. Palakpakan. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Philippines.
What is your motto in life?
Motto? My motto in life is,
Miss Sally, palakpakan naman dyan! Alright, proceed at the side. For our next nominee, let's give it up for Miss Harvey! Woo! Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Okay, candidate number 2, be on the center of our stage. Now we ask you a few questions. You look so amazing and stuff. How many? I'm big proud ng is their names. Kayo lang. Hindi siya proud ng mga baby. What is their names?
Sean.
Sean.
Natalia. Felix Noah.
Okay, palakpakan. Our next candidate, our next nominee, third nominee goes to Miss Alicia! Boss Miss Ay, tapos na? Okay, for our candidate number 3, please come here beside me and I will ask a few questions. You look so... Ikaw ulit? Ikaw ulit? Ngayon, ibig sabihin, kung ano siya, tanggapin mo. Entiendes? Ganon. Just accept her for what she is. Pinasimplify ko, di ba? Oh. Wala kayo. Anyway, what is your motto in life, Miss Alicia?
Love me for what I am. Friends, love me not for my Love me for what I am.
Okay, candidate number 3, puso. Next candidate, next nominee, please come forward and join our other ladies. Huwag ka na magpatumbik, diba? Karaka! Candidate number 4, let's give up for Miss Anda! Samba! Kailangan mo ganyan ang Samba. She looks so elegant, wearing her red dress. Once in a few round of applause for Miss Anda! Are you ready? Here we go. Rasa! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Anyway, for our candidate number 4, you look so beautiful and elegant. Who is your inspiration with your red?
My husband.
Now,
I love you for the rest of my life.
mamatay. Anyway, may we know the name of your husband?
Jason Dahan.
Bakit dahan? Hindi kailangan mabilis.
Dahan-dahan.
Dahan-dahan na. Kung dahan-dahan ka, pakita mo kami ng dahan-dahan. Come on. Music maestro. Talent portion. Dahan-dahan lang. O yung music na. Sa iba yung dahan-dahan. Here is whisper. Ano yata to? Ano? Honeymoon? Ay, ala! Anong nangyari? Oh my God! Nakabog! Oh my God! Parang meron ng winner for tonight, ano? Awarding portion. Parang meron na tayong winner for awarding portion, no? Anyway, your question goes this way. Aside from your breast, nagmamalaki that you are proud of. Aside from your...
It says everything.
Oh!
Even I didn't say anything. Yeah.
Under the sun. Anyway, congratulations for now. And join the other ladies on the side. Anyway, we still have another nominee. Ano pangalan? Gigi. Gandang hari. Anyway, please join our other ladies and please step forward because you own the next spot. Let's give it up for Miss Gigi. Number 5 ano? Your question goes this way. First, may I know your good name? Ang tanong ko, mahilig ka ba sa galanggang? What is the ingredient for that mixed seafood? Can you tell us what is the ingredient for that mixed seafood? Specific of what ingredient?
Of course, it contains shrimp. There is
Okay na tayo, oo, hindi naman paligid pa. Ito na talaga yung question mo. If you'll be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
my height.
Why?
Because I'm short.
Bilis ang sagot nyo. Anyway, palakpakan naman dyan ang big round of applause for our player, for our candidate. Join the other ladies. And you still have the chance to join us here in front. Sino pa ba? Siyempre, hindi na mawawala ang ating birthday celebrant for tonight. Our last candidate, let's give it for Miss Amor. Our last but definitely not the least, last candidate for tonight, awarding for the best in premium attire. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Who is your inspiration? Maka-self. Anyway, aside from yourself, who is your inspiration?
Where is Bunker?
Tulog na!
Natulog na si Bunker.
Aside from Bunker, who else? Your inspiration?
My children.
Anyway, how long you're working here in Bahrain?
Ano masasabi mo?
Some parents. Actually, sometimes. Saan? Yeah. Malungkot kasi malayo sa mga anak. Masaya kasi nagbibigay ko yung mga gusto namin.
Hindi naman talaga importante family first, no? These lovely ladies to please fall in line and make one line. And at this portion of time, and at this moment of time, at this point of time, we're gonna have the dance showdown with our ladies, with our nominees, Music Maestro! Dance showdown. Rampa, come on! Rampa!
Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Austin, Gucci, Fiorucci, Boca, Gucci, Fendi and Armani, Yara and Gianni, Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford, D&G and BCBG, looking good.
Oh my God. Anyway, winner for the back. For the awarding, may I invite you once again, Miss Sally. Mami, wala na akong sayaw. Tapos na. Awarding na tayo. Oo, tapos na tayo. Oo. Naka-excuse ka na to. Anyway, for our grand winner, for our best, guys, ladies and gentlemen, who's your bet? Come on, shout your number or your choice. Their name. Come on. Sino?
Cardi, Mami, Alice, and Anne!
Sino pa? Sino ang bet nila? For this table?
Anas!
Alas! Oh, sige, lasing na tayo. Alas! Sino ba? For this table, sino bet nila manalo?
Anis!
Alis, oh, sige. Pani-alis na. Wala pang answer. Anyway, sino dito? Manalo. Who's your bet?
Dahan.
Dahan! Doon. Ano meron? How about for this table? Who's your bet for our winner for the best in female attire? Gigi! How about for this table? Who's your bet? Come on! Tuturuan pa. Sige, sino? Siya. Di ko kilala. Sino to? Anyway, all together, shout your bet. Come on! Shout your bet. Come on! Nag-decision na ang ating madlang people. Our audience already decide for our winner for the best in female attire. Oh, still! Our best in female attire. Okay, I will repeat. Audience back. Palakpakan! 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 Palakpakan kay Ma'am Sally. Ay, yun lang. Issue na naman. Anyway, with no less than Mami Alicia. Deserve naman talaga. Once again, congratulations, Bella Tag, for our first nominee goes to, please step forward, Sir Ahmed. Your height. Why your height?
Because I'm tall, that's why.
You look giant, that's why. That's the reason. Anyway, we're gonna proceed with our next nominee. Please stay on the side. Our next nominee goes to... Please step forward and join our other nominee. Please step forward. You got it right. Sir Abud Rampa. You look so handsome with your gold and white polo. Who is your inspiration behind those being a handsome one? Who's your inspiration? What is her name?
Love forever until die.
Mama Kay? Anyway, sir, what is your motto in life?
Sorry?
Motto in life. Congratulations for now, and join the other nominee. And for our third nominee for the best in male attire, please step forward and join our other nominees. Let's give it up for, Sir Mike. Come on, Sir Mike. Who's with you tonight?
You fill up my senses like a night in the forest.
Nagpalit ka, ma'am. On the stage, your loved one.
Of course, my babe.
My baby, 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 my baby, baby, and she, invite ka, ma'am. Oo, invite ka na. Sir, I will give you the moment of time to say your pledge or your pledge with each other.
For 30 years with you, and you are my life.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it is actually 30 years. We will complete 30 years soon. Yeah, what else I can say? I mean, I try really as a human being to select something beautiful. I visit so many gardens. I found only one beautiful flower.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Sally, for imparting your message for Sir Mike. Anyway, Sir Mike, congratulations for now. Join our other participants. And we're gonna proceed with our last, but definitely not least, last nominee for the best in male attire goes to... For our fourth nominee for the best in female male attire, what's your good name?
Bong.
Bong. Kaano-ano mo si Revilla?
Pinsan.
Pinsan. First guy, Ajinomoto.
Correct.
Okay. Ano pa paborito mong pagkain?
Yung patang adobo kanina.
Bakit gano'ng kasarap yung adobo at pata ni Mami? Sir, ganito pata na game. Anyway, kung magiging pagkain ka, it will become a food or a recipe. What is that food and why?
As what I've said, adobo.
Bakit?
I like fat.
You like fat? Aside from the reason that it's fat, what else? What's your reason?
The dark color of fat.
You like the dark color fat? Soy sauce. And with the vinegar. Anyway, we're gonna proceed with our next. Talagang ito na yung pinaka-last. The last and that definitely not least. Last nominee. Let's give it up for Muhammad! Do the modeling, sir. Do the modeling. Ay, ang guwapo. Ayun na talaga. Macho, macho. Macho, kopi. Sir, I have a question for you. Do you go for gym? Do you go?
Yes.
What do you love the most? Why? What else? What do you love the most?
I like sports.
What kind of sports, sir?
I'm a martial arts player. and bicycle rider and fitness trainer.
English. Anyway, we're gonna find out right here, right now for our best in Militar. Who's your bet? Shout your choice, ladies and gentlemen. Ay, namunin. Sino bet mo? Oh, who's your bet? How about this house? Who's your bet? Mom! Bong na bong. For the single, who's your bet? Anyway, sorry ha, chop lang. Anyway, our guests, our participants already decide our winner will be shout your Ocean Sipak, Sir Muhammad, palakpakan, Sir Bong, Sir Mike, Sir Abud, Sir Ahmed. Yung ano natin, manok natin. Another participation round of applause. Sir Ahmed. Sir Abud. Sir Ahmed. Sir Abud. Sir Ahmed. Sir Abud. Sir Ahmed. Sir Abud. Okay, we got our two winners for the best in Militar. Congratulations, Sir Ahmed and Sir Abud. Congratulations. Okay, for our first imparting may we have Ma'am Sally. Take it away.
Going for your successful in life, and I love you so much. Happy birthday again.
Our next imparting may we have here in front. May we have Ma'am Sheila. Oh, grabe naman si umalis. Umalis din daw. Dito pa siya. Oh, learner. Okay, let's give a round of applause for Ma'am Sheila naman. Ang best friend ni Ma'am Amor.
Kamsa, nagtugaw ka ng kanta, pati ka nag-aaral.
Okay lang.
Happy year birthday.
Sige lang, Sally, i-focus mo ka sa nito. Malindinaw. Basta ka na yun.
More years of adventures, laughter, window shopping, kain sa buffet, and many more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday. I love you always.
Picture naman. Love daw niya yung mga anak niya. Anyway, we're gonna move forward with Ma'am Sophia, Miss Sophia. We also have Miss Rhea. How about Sir Ahmed? Our first runner-up. Sige, picture kayo dyan. How about for Numan? Numan, come here. Come to Papa. Come to Mama. Come on. Be here in front and partner for the wish. How about for Ahmed? Wish and message for Ma'am Amor. Beshi, itinatan ni. At sa kanang tanayin.
Ahmad!
Nabanugan.
Hey Amor, may you have many more birthday and healthy and be strong. Dalawa lang na mga anak sila natin. Tapos na sila. Happy birthday!
Kakatabo na ako ng ano. Our first runner-up for the Destiny wearing her red shimmering dress. She is so very cleavage on her breast.
Ma'am Amor, happy birthday. Thank you for the decoration at saka sa ganitong panahon. Thank you kasi nagiging friends tayo sa ganitong bagay. Mga acceptance for friendship. Parang ito.
for our beautiful birthday celebrant, Miss Amor Loveriano. We're gonna move forward with no less than check. O pwede din mo kayong sabay, keep track with Christine. Para sa kayo maganda. Para sa kayong making kagandahan.
Okay. Happy birthday, first of all, and then thanks for inviting us. And thank you, reunited with your friend, old friend Gigi. Our friendship started during Almontasa time, and happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Christine Reyes, for that wonderful message, talking message for our beautiful birthday celebrant. We're gonna move forward with no less than Miss Kim Chu.
Ate, happy birthday. Welcome.
And no less than our beautiful, lovely birthday celebrant for tonight, Miss Amor Loveriano, for her thank you message, acknowledgement to all the participants who came for tonight. Lovely event. Take it away.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa kay Ma'am Sally at kay Sir Mike sa gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Ma'am Sally at kay Sir Mike sa pagbigay nitong call as a gift na magkaroon ako ng birthday party. At saka kay Miss Alice and Abud and Ann sa decoration, at saka kay Sir Gilbert sa sound system, at saka sa cake sa aking mga katrabaho.
At this point of time, Mommy or Miss Amor Loveriano, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting.
Hi, Mr. Stanley, thank you so much. I'm happy at na bigay mo sa akin ng kasiyahan sa akin.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Amor Loveriano, for that wonderful message, a thanking message, acknowledgement to all the participants who came for tonight. Lovely, and before we actually close our program, I would like to acknowledge all our guests and participants who came for tonight. Lovely event. Palakpakan naman dyan. Once again, this is your host for tonight, host is Stanley. Palakpakan naman dyan. We would like to acknowledge our decorator for tonight, the AG Events Planner. Palakpakan naman dyan. For our music coordinator, Sir Gilbert and Sir Julius. Palakpakan naman dyan. To all the people who make this occasion a memorable and a successful one, palakpakan niyo ang iyong mga sarili. Once again, let's say all together.